Good afternoon, everybody. Well, good evening, everybody. Fan Man Steve here once again. I hope everybody's enjoying their evening. It is Friday the 18th, and today I am going to be doing a video of a package that just recently came in. It was shipped. It was shipped out from family, and as you can see, I have the box turned on its side because there is information that I need to keep covert from the public. These are some Christmas decorations. They were shipped out from my brother and my sister-in-law earlier this week, and they came in just yesterday. And I've already opened the package, and I'm basically what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna take everything out and show everything. There was a reason I had to do to take out take undo the package is because there was other stuff in the box that was also some very private and personal stuff. So this is what I'll do. Turn the box this way. And these are the decorations that were shipped into me. This is going to be for my little Christmas tree, which will be an upcoming project. These are some ornaments, some Santa Claus ornaments, and pretty sure that these are new. They are plastic. Let's see if we can get some information here. 16 mini glass ornaments. They are glass. And these were made in China, and these were Walmart. These were a product being carried by Walmart. Some really cool ornaments. Okay, and these here are some mini shatterproof ornaments, and these are plastic. They're my favorite color, which is green. And for those of you who, if it's anyone like Lamont, I know that he's a blue guy, but any of you out there who are green people, I know that you'll enjoy this. And let's see here, if we can get some information off of this one. Turning around. Yep, these are brand new, made in China as well. These are what will also be going on the tree. Some of them I may be putting on our bigger tree, but a few of them will be going on the smaller tree as well. Okay, here's some more ornaments. There's a Santa Claus there. There's a present and a chimney. Probably China made as well. If they're nothing vintage, then they're probably China made. Really cool. Okay. 12 pieces. And this is the mini tree skirt. This is what I will be using for the mini tree as well. It's really cool. It's flannel, and I like flannel. It's a really I think it's a practically cool color there. And this is the top tie that will be going on top of the tree, and this was handcrafted by my sister-in-law. She made this Actually, she made several of them. The first one that she did for me, she had to redo it because it got destroyed somehow or another. Looks pretty cool. This is also a flannel collar, like the skirt. $120 ornament hooks, and these are what I will be using for the ornaments. And there's at least about 120 here, so at least half of these will be used for the big tree as well. 98 cents. And made in Cambodia. Okay. Here are some more ornaments. Let's see if I can. Oh, okay. See if I can get it to where it's easier to see. Okay. 6 more mini ornaments. And I do believe these are made out of definitely not wood, and maybe they're like a hard plastic. I do believe these are a hard plastic. Really cool. Let's see here. Made in China. A Walmart brand. Nothing vintage. Really cool ornaments. And these are the LED lights. These are what will be going on the mini tree. 30 LED lights, battery operated. Has a position on it, an on and a timer and an off, multicolored. And the total length is about 12 feet and 38 meters. See if we can get some information. For decorative use only, for indoor-outdoor use. There's a warning here on the back. Distributed by Old East Main Company, 100 Mission Ridge, Goodlettsville, Tennessee. Made in Vietnam. I'm going to take these out and I'm going to give a quick demonstration on these. Okay, so I have them out of the pack there. It's a little box. Looks really cool. Exactly sure how that. I guess it just that just shuts in on it. We're not going to look inside of it right now, but this is battery operated, and these are the little lights to it. Looks pretty cool. These are LED lights, so yeah, these things are bright. Has a timer on it, so I guess you can even have a length of time of what you can run these. That's another really cool feature, even for something battery operated. There, that's really cool. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Okay. And here are some scented wax melters. These are from my wax melter right over there. I'll be making a video on that momentarily, my bad. Scented wax cubes. Technically, I got these from my mother and my sister, but I happen to have a thing for these scented lamps myself. So, well, there you have it, everybody. I just thought that I'd do a little show and tell of the decorations that I will be doing for my Christmas setup, and this is a part of the Christmas setup. I'm going to try to get the video of me decorating the video very soon, just right around to doing the setup around the house. So, well, there you go, everybody. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. More videos on the Christmas setup. Please like, comment, subscribe, and more to come. Have a good one.